stand according to the alphabetical order. First, starting with Dimapur, 2, 3, Mon, 7, Nokla, 8, Kerala.
Respected Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Mr. Rezopai Kekie, IAS, my senior colleague in the Nagaland Olympic Association, Mr. Maren Paul, my colleagues in the Nagaland Olympic Association, members of the different sports associations and the sports fraternity of the state, servant of God, Dr. Mehta, present here in our midst this morning, officers and staff of the Department of Youth Resources and Sports, representatives of various sports associations, officials from different districts of Nagaland, my friends from the press and media, dear participants and athletes of the 13th Inter-District Catch Them Young Tournament 2021, who've come from every nook and corner of Nagaland, ladies and gentlemen, at the very outset, Ishwar ke dhanyabad di ase, etu bhal din pa nimine, aru ekku didari napai gine, sob manu alag district kora ahi gine, kohimane jama hua dimine, sob ke thanks, aru dangor ashirwad, aru thanks Ishwar ke di ase. First and foremost, kiman bacha khan alag district pra ahi ase, apni khan sob ke salam, aru sob ke congratulations. All of you have performed very well. You have performed in an excellent manner to qualify for the state level. Idu nimine apni khan sob ke khushi janai ase, kohimane welcome kori ase, aru apni khan ke janibole dibole mon tu এতিয়া পৰাটো আপনি খান নিজৰ ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰি আছে হ'ব ডিস্ট্রিক্ট লাগা ইমেজ হ'ব আৰু ইতিয়াৰো স্টেট লেভেলে আইডিনে ক্লিয়াৰ নিদিলে আপনি খান সব স্টেট প্লেয়াৰ হৈছে একদিন নাগালেণ্ড নিমিলে খেলিব এইটো নিমিলে এইটো মনতে ৰাখি কিনে পৰাটক আপোনাৰ লগা বেষ্ট পাৰফৰ্মেন্স বেষ্ট ডিসিপ্লিনটো এইটো টুৰ্নামেণ্টে দিব লাগে I want to congratulate the Department of Youth Resources and Sports, who have been carrying out excellent initiatives. Despite enormous challenges and hurdles, the department have been performing in an exemplary manner. The Catch Them Young initiative for 2021 began under very difficult circumstances, considering the fact that we were faced with a global pandemic and statewide lockdowns at different times of the year. Despite these challenges, they have observed all the SOPs, they have maintained the regulations, and they have managed to successfully bring the event to the state level tournament. So I want to congratulate the secretary, the director, all the officers, all the coaches for bringing the tournament this far. The government of Nagaland continues to give utmost importance to the development of youth activities. And when we talk about youth activities, sports and games comes to the forefront. It is the aspiration of the government, it is the aspiration of the Nagaland Olympic Association that Nagaland too produce champions at the highest levels of sport in the months and years to come. But to make that happen, we know that the state, the citizens of the state, and all stakeholders must make investments, efforts towards realization of those dreams. Winning in sports, finishing on the medal, hearing the national anthem in international arenas does not happen by luck, does not happen by fluke, or does not happen by chance. Immense amount of hard work, investments have to take place. A people, a state, a nation, a society must deserve that medal for one athlete or a team to get on the podium one day. Investments in infrastructure, development of sports at all levels, approaching sports as a science and no longer taking it as a hobby or recreation, are the foundations for sport to take off. Scientific approach to development of sports, enhancements in nutrition, video analysts, strength and fitness conditioners, high-performance coaches, sports academies, centers of excellence, intensive coaching camps, exposure events are just some of the many requirements for an ecosystem of sport to happen and an ecosystem that will produce champions in future. But today I want to tell the young sportspersons that in the field of sports and games, as long as you put in the hard work, you will definitely win someday. There are no children of Nagaland to become international champions. The state government, the Olympic Association, and the Department of Sports will do everything possible to ensure that the dreams and aspirations of our children to become champions in the world are achieved sooner than later. Let me assure you that the government and the Olympic Association are working on a scientific and a modern approach to develop sport. The Olympic Association is being streamlined, the department is making all efforts, and we are looking forward to a number of developmental announcements in the days and weeks to come from the Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the President of the Olympic Association. Today I bring greetings from the Olympic fraternity of the state to all of you. I also bring greetings from the Honorable Chief Minister to the young sportspersons, and greetings from the Athletic Federation of India. I'm happy to let you know that on January 15th, Nagaland will be hosting its biggest ever international sports meet right here in Indira Gandhi Stadium in the form of South Asian Cross-Country Championships. Athletes, delegates and officials from all over South Asia, 8 countries will come and participate in the biggest event in India in athletics after the global pandemic. The annual general meeting of the South Asian Athletic Federation will also take place in Kohima. Tomorrow, the President of the Indian Olympic Association is landing in Dimapur. Tomorrow, the President of the World Hockey Federation is landing in Dimapur to participate in the State Police Sports Meet and lay foundation stone for Nagaland's first ever and perhaps one of the first in the country, the Nagaland Police Sports Battalion, which is a commitment in the Common Minimum Program of the state government. A number of such developments are happening. We are looking forward to the inauguration of the Regional Center of Sporting Excellence in Dimapur very soon. And we are looking forward to state athletes from all disciplines participating in national events as Unlock has happened in India and various national events are starting to be conducted. The state football team will soon be participating in the Santosh Trophy. Sports and games is being given top priority by the state, and we look forward to more participation from all stakeholders. We look forward to a successful 13th inter-district Catch Them Young competition. And as I said, we hope that from these athletes, future champions will be produced. If Tiao would become an Olympian from far away Mokokchung, if Chekrovolu could participate at the London Olympics in 2012, hailing from one of the most interior parts of the state, I want to tell every kid here today that you can also reach the Olympic Games. You have to work hard, you have to aspire towards it. And your dream, your aspiration is our duty.
In the name of all the judges and officials, I promise that we shall officiate in the 13th Inter-District Catch Them Young Tournament 2021 with complete impartiality, respecting and abiding by the rules of athletics, badminton, and table tennis in the true spirit of sportsmanship. Thank you.
Declare the 13th Inter-District Catch Them Young Tournament 2021 open and wish the entire tournament a grand success. Thank you.
Dimapur District is taking the lead.